Hello everyone, and welcome back to Watch More. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. In this video, we're visiting the beautiful Jelitkowo Beach in Gdańsk, Poland, right along the Baltic Sea. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful summer beach walk with me. As we begin our walk, you can see the beautiful sandy beach stretching along the coastline. The combination of the blue water, fresh sea air, warm sunshine, and relaxed atmosphere makes Jelitkowo a wonderful place to spend a summer day. Jelitkowo Beach is a popular seaside destination for both locals and visitors. During the summer, the beach becomes full of life, with people coming to enjoy the sunshine, take a walk, relax by the water, and spend time with friends and family. Listen to the sound of the waves as we continue our walk along the Baltic coast. One of the best things about a beach walk like this is that you don't have to rush. You can simply enjoy the scenery, breathe in the fresh coastal air, and take a break from the busy routine of everyday life. Look around at the beautiful summer atmosphere here. The coastline, sandy beach, people enjoying their day, and peaceful sound of the sea create a really relaxing experience. If you're planning a trip to Gdańsk, Poland, Jelitkowo Beach is definitely a place worth exploring, especially during the warmer months. And now, let's continue our walk and enjoy more of the beautiful scenery. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to watch more. Your support really helps the channel grow, and it allows me to bring you more walking tours, beautiful destinations, beaches, cities, and travel experiences from around the world. Also, let me know in the comments, have you ever visited Gdańsk or Jelitkowo Beach? And if this is your first time discovering this beautiful place, tell me where you're watching from. As we continue walking, take a moment to simply enjoy the view. The Baltic Sea has its own unique beauty, and experiencing it on a warm summer day makes this place feel especially inviting. Whether you're watching from home, planning your next vacation, or simply looking for a relaxing virtual walk, I hope this video gives you the feeling of being here with us. Before you go, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because there are many beautiful views and interesting moments waiting for you along this beach walk. So stay with me, relax, and enjoy the complete journey through Jelitkowo Beach. Thank you so much for spending your time with Watch More. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful walk through Jelitkowo Beach. Make sure to watch the video until the very end, and I'll see you in the next part. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Until the next video, stay happy, stay curious, and keep exploring. This is Watch More. See you in the next adventure.